Alright, okay, now I'm going to discuss about how to finding a question here. This question is very important. Why? It's not because how to solving this, but this will use later in this later example in this section here, right? In this subtopic here. So you're going to use a knowledge for this in order to solve some problem involving normal distribution. Alright, okay, try to understand this question. Find the value of A. The question is very simple. They wanted to find the value of A, right? And Z is a normal distribution, right? It's a random variable, continuous random variable. Z is a continuous random variable which follows standard normal distribution. Okay, very simple here. I just want to tell you that the score Z is normal with mean 0 and variance 1, right? Okay, how to finding the value of A here? The meaning here is how to find the value of A here if you're given a probability. So this is a reverse process. So it's a reverse process from the previous video. In the previous video, it is giving the value here, right? 1.2. Then you're finding this value. Now it's giving this value. Then you have to revert, find this value. Okay. So definitely you must have some knowledge in for normal distribution. So at first, the most important thing is you see this value, and the sign here, very important. Not this value, but not this value, but the sign and together with this, right? So if you want to find A, so this is the strategy here. So now you draw a normal distribution, right? You know the mean is always 0, right? Mean is 0, and this is greater than, right? Greater than A. So I have to locate the A here. I don't know the A is on the left or on the right. I don't know. That's why I asked you to observe this value here. These two things here. First, you look at this. This is something less than 0.5, right? Something less than 0.5. The value is less than 0.5. So the area, the value of A, I suspect to be here. Why? Because it's less than 0.5, right? It shouldn't be A. The A shouldn't be here. The A should not be here. Why? Because if the A is here, then the area will be the whole thing here, right? The area will be the whole thing here because the sign here is greater, right? Which is more than 0.5. If the A is here, it's more than 0.5. So I think it's here, right? This is 0.3783, the area here. Okay, so now I'm very confident that the A will be on the right hand side here because this value is just 0.3783, less than 0.5. It should not over, the area should not over the value of 0, cannot go beyond 0 here, alright? So means that it stay here on the right hand side and it's greater is on the right. So now you can using, if this case happen, you can using statistical table. Then, but now you are not finding here, you are not finding here, you are finding from all the many numbers here, all the probability here. So you're searching for this value 3783. Where is 3783? Start from 0.5. The value getting smaller and smaller. Lucky. This is lucky, right? 0.3783. 0.3783. 0.3783. Upper here 0.31, right? 0.31. You're getting 0.3783. So the answer for A in this case, very easy. You can get very easy for this case here. The A is 0.31. Alright, that's the answer for this problem. Alright, let's look at more cases. Alright, okay, let's continue with another case. So what if PZ less than A and given you the value of 0.1093? Okay, I always ask student to tengok nilai, tengok tanda, right? Tengok nilai, tengok tanda. So very simple. Okay. After that, in the later example, I'm not going to explain this anymore. I just tell you how to find. Right. For now, this is the way I tell strategy. Look at the tanda here, less than. This is 0.1093. Right. First, this is less than 0.5. Less than 0.5. The area should not be very big. So, okay, I draw up the distribution. Less than, right? Less than A. Less than A got two possibilities. Because you said 0, right? 0. Less than A. The A can be here. Less than. Less than means what? Got right, got left. It's on the left. Less than. Right? Or maybe, I give you a choice. Or maybe the value of A is on the left. On the left, A is this region here. Right? This 2 is considered as less than. This is less than. So means that PZ less than A have two possibilities. PZ less than A have two possibilities. One is a big area, one is the small area. So, how you know big or small? You look at this value here, 0.1093. Is it more than 0.5? Is it more than 0.5? No, right? It's less than 0.5. So, it shouldn't be this one. Okay? This one is impossible, and this one will be is the only possibility, because this area small and it's not bigger than this one is already more than 0.5. This is 0.5. Hello, this is 0.5, right? It's already more than. Impossible, right? So this is less than 0.5. So, and less than means on this area, right? This is also less than, but more than 0.5 tak boleh lah. So then it's this one. So I clearly know that Z less than A is this case here. In this case here is 0.1093, right? But this is on the left hand side. From statistical table, we must convert this to the right hand side, right? So I have to reflect this, I have to reflect this, I have to transform this. Imagine left hand side A, right, into the right hand side. If I put it on the right hand side, the A, if I reflect to the right hand side, it will become negative A. So can you try to figure out why I put a negative here? Why I put a negative here? The reason very simple. Mari tengok sini. Let's say if here is negative 2, for example, here is negative 2, right? Negative 2. So if you if you convert this into greater than 2, right? This area and this area are the same, right? It's the same. And this area and this one also the same, right? Why I put a negative here? Because you see, this is a negative number, right? It's a negative number. So if you want to convert it become a positive number, you definitely have to, how to get positive? You have to put the negative on the negative number, right? You have to put a negative on the negative number here so that it becomes positive, right? That's why this one is a negative number. A is a negative number. If you put a negative, it will become positive, because you already reflect it onto the right hand side. You should do this, right? You should do this. So remember, so this distribution is the same as this one. So means the PZ less than A here, the PZ less than A here, which is 0.1093, is the same as Z less than A. Z less than A is the same as Z greater than negative A. This is the same as PZ greater than negative A. Only for this case. Only for this case, which is 0.1093. Now only you can start finding from statistical table. 0.1093. 0.1093. Oh, mana, start from 0.5. You see the value? You cut through all the values. 0.1. Here. Around here, I think. It's around here. 1093. Can you see that? 0.1093. 0.1093 correspond to 1.23. 1.23 means the negative A here is 1.23. You only can refer to statistical table first if this is greater than, right? Just now it's less than, so you have converted it become greater than, right? So then the A will be negative 1.23, which is exactly correct, because why? A, you see, mesti betul punya. This one 0, this one negative 1.23. Logic, right? It's on the left. It's not. It's on the left. So the A is negative 1.23. Okay, very simple. Okay, let's go for a more complicated case. Alright, what if this case here? Okay, always I tell my student, look at the sign. You want to find this one, right? Look at the number here. Okay, now you see this number can find from statistical table or not? Okay, So you find lah, okay? I have already tell you the value, smallest will be nearly 0. If you go above here, the value, the biggest will be 0.5. This is already more than 0.5, right? So something happened. You have to understand the diagram. They just give you this one, but you have a diagram in your mind, alright? So you know that this is greater than 0.5. Okay, doesn't matter, because you have the knowledge. You have knowledge, you know. Okay, you don't memorize mathematics. Okay, so more than A. More than A got two types. Here is 0, right? More than A. More than, you can be a small part here. You can be a big part here. You can be this one, right? You can be more than. What is more than? Mesti faham maksud more than. More than means on the right. So now I give you a choice, okay? You can answer me, okay? You answer to my video. Try to answer yourself. Okay, so one is a small area but more than also, and this is a big area more than also, right? But which one, right? For this case, which one? Look at the value here. Look at the value here, 0.7764. It's more than 0.5 ma. Tak mungkin ini ma, right? This one, no. This is less than 0.5, right? Less than 0.5. You see? Mana cukup? 0.5 is everything from here up to 0.5, but some part of it only, less than 0.5. This one definitely 0.5 and above. This one greater than 0.5. So in this case, not this one, right? In this case, it's this one. First, you must understand this one. So later on, you try to modify here. You try to modify here. So because you know that this one, okay, this one is the same as the big one, the big one, the big one, minus away a small one. The small one here is A here. Alright, nak? Semua ini tolak dengan kawasan kosong ini. Sebab you mau cari area sini kan. So you ambil semua tolak dengan bahagian ini, then you dapat ini. So how? So it's 1 minus away. But this one is the same as this one. Hello, this one is the same as to the right. I have to put a negative A here, right? I have to put a negative A here. Kenapa? Saya sudah explain tadi. Tengok balik. Okay? You mau saya explain pun boleh. Okay? So this is here. Here is 1 minus with less than A, right? Less than A. So I revert. Boop, go there. So it's become negative A, right? Why I must go to the right? You must understand lah. Our statistical table is for the right tail, right? So, okay, why I put a negative here, I just now have already explained. If this is a 2, let's say this is negative 1.5, right? So, it's symmetry. This is the same as this one. It's the same as 1.5, right? That's why I write this into this form here. But from negative become positive. Definitely you multiply a negative one, because negative and negative become positive, right? So this is a positive number. This is a negative number. So for this case, you have to write in what? P z greater than negative A, right? 1 minus P z greater than negative A, which is 0.7764. Our purpose very simple, okay? If you can see this, our purpose is to rewrite this value into a smaller value, which is less than 0.5, so that we can use the statistical table, okay? By using calculator now, you move this one, go to the other side. 1 minus 0.7764. 1 minus 0.7764, which give you 0.2236. 0.2236. Beautiful. I said this to be beautiful. First, this is less than 0.5. First, this is already greater than. Okay, you can using statistical table. Okay, search for the value of 0.2236. Where are you? Where are you? 0.2236. 996. Oh, no. Here. 0.2236. 0.7. 0.76. Means that negative A is 0.76 and the A will be negative 0.76. Very simple, right? Very simple. It's very simple if and only if you're able to have this idea here, right? Okay, let's look for one more example. Alright, okay. Let's look at this. Pz less than A, 0.8962. You want to find the value of A. Okay, how to find? First, again, look at this sign and the value here. Hiya, this value is more than 0.5. No, from statistical table, cannot. This is more than 0.5. Doesn't matter, alright? So, have some imagination. So, okay, what is mean by less than? Less than can be small one, right? Less than. So this is less than 0.5, right? So, or maybe less than, the A is here, right? The A is here, so that it will make it bigger, the area, right? Less than, on the left, less than. So this one is more than 0.5, right? So you see that less than A, right? Less than A. So this is more than 0.5. So definitely this one. This one. No, not this. Not this. It's this one. The distribution for this is this one. The diagram for this is this one. Right? First. Oh, sir, adakah ini wajib lukis? Bukanlah. Ini untuk mengajar je. Okay, mengajar. Okay, faham ini? Bolehlah buat. Okay. Alright. So Z less than A. So this one. This one, right? Everything minus away a small part here, right? Everything minus the small part here. Everything minus the small part here. Get this region, right? So it's the same as 1 minus Pz greater than A. This one don't need to modify, no need to modify, it's already on the right. Very simple. Okay. So means that this is this. This is this. So this is this. Okay. So 1 minus Pz more than A is the same as 0.8962. Right. So means that Pz greater than A will be the same as 1 minus 0.8962. So Pz greater than A is the same as, okay, let's look at the value first. So you were getting 0.1038, right? 0.1038. This is already less than 0.5. This is already more than. Beautiful. Beautiful means you can see the value from the statistical table, from table 3. So 0.1038. Cari. 1093. No. 10. No. Oh yes. 0.1038, 0.1038, 0.1038. Using ruler, 1.2, 1.26, 1.26. So means that clearly A is 1.26. Very simple. Alright, now have done with this question. Okay, I give you one more example. Alright, okay, I present this for you. So modulus Z less than A. Just now in the first video, I talking about modulus Z less than A can rewrite to be Z between A and negative A, right? This is the definition. So means that probability of Z between A and negative A is 0.903, right? So this one is in the middle, right? It's between A and negative A. So this is the region here, right? It's the region here. Okay, and here will be 0, right? 0. So this is the same as you taking a big area minus a small part on the left and minus the small part on the right, right? Definitely, if you want to use statistical table, you have to convert become this form. Our format for statistical table in matriculation is this form. So, so this one is 1 minus this one, and this one having the same value, right? They are symmetrical. Negative A, one is A, right? They have the same value, just one positive, one negative. So the area here should be the same, right? So it's the same as 2 times. This is the same as this one. So this one is Pz more than A, right? Pz more than A. So I put a 2 here is because this one and this one are the same, right? So I'm using this multiply 2. Alright? So then I've already understand that this one is this one and this one, right? So it's the same as 1 minus 2 Pz greater than A to be 0.903. So means that 2pz greater than A, right? 2pz greater than A is the same as 1 minus 0.903. Alright, 0.903. So if I calculate, if you minus this, you are getting 0.097. 2pz greater than A. Okay, I think you should understand by now. Okay, pz greater than A, you're taking this divide by 2, you are getting 0.0485. Alright, then this is already less than 0.5, and this is the sign where greater than, you can using statistical table, right? Finding the value of 0.0485. So where is 0.0485, right? 0.0485, right? Searching one by 485. Okay. This time I'm unlucky. 0.0485. 0.0485 is correspond to 1.6. 1.66 means the value of A here is 1.66. Okay, very simple. I hope all what I'm explaining is making some sense for you. Okay, I always encourage my students not to memorize. Okay, understand the problem. All right. Okay, that's all for this video.